Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to create a siren in Magic Board. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Magic Board coding app and connect the Magic Board using a Type-C cable. Step 2. Go to the Events panel and drag the Setup and Loop block to the programming area. Step 3. From the Control panel, add the Play buzzer at frequency block in the Loop section. Step 4. Set the frequency to 500 Hz and time to 0.1 seconds. Step 5. Repeat the Step 3 or simply copy-paste the blocks multiple times and set the frequencies and times as follows to make it look like a siren. 700 Hz for 0.1 seconds. 900 Hz for 0.1 seconds. 1100 Hz for 0.1 seconds. 1300 Hz for 0.1 seconds. 1500 Hz for 0.1 seconds. 1300 Hz for 0.1 seconds. 1100 Hz for 0.1 seconds. 900 Hz for 0.1 seconds. 700 Hz for 0.1 seconds. 500 Hz for 0.1 seconds. Step 6. Click on Play button to upload the code and see the Magic Board in action.